Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a multiple choice question paper. So for that we have to remove whichever text we have. One thing you have to keep in mind while making a paper, you have to check the page layout. If you are taking a page orientation, it should be a portrait one. The margin should be a narrow one and the size whichever you require. If you are going to print it in A4 size, then select A4. If you are going to use it a legal size, you can use that one. So I am using a A4 size. After doing the margin, orientation and the size of paper, next thing I want the heading to my paper, that is a name of school. You can type, then you have to write the which exam it is. If it is a midterm exam, then you have to type it like this, midterm exam. Next one is the class, for which class you are doing the paper, then the fifth A, like this. Now this portion I want in the center, so I will select it and put it in the center. The spacing between the lines should be less, so I will remove the space like this. Now after that I will enter, and on the right hand side here I want to write the marks, total marks, like this. I have to put this 50 or 100 like this. Now you can see it is going down, so you can shift little bit and you can make it smaller as it is a like this. You can reduce the size, you can change the color because it's not a heading, and you can also little bit shift on the right hand side. Over here on the same line you have to type the time or duration. You can type duration like this, that is 2 hours. Now again reduce the size and make it black. So this much part is done. Now you have to put the line over there. Just click on the insert, click on the shapes, click on the line and draw the line over here like this. Okay, next part is you can reduce and increase the size, and you can shift the line just by using the arrow, up arrow, down arrow, like this. If you are using down arrow, it will go down, up arrow, it will go up. If you want to reduce the line size, you can drag it and drop it like this. You can reduce it, you can increase it. If you want to change the color, then just click over there and click like this. Next thing is here I want to give a instruction. Usually a paper consists of some instruction, so I will give an instruction, and if I want to put a box over there, I will put a box, text box, draw a text box like this, and inside a text box I will write a instruction. So if you want to write it in the bullets, you can write it in the bullets like this: attempt all question, like this. You can add a multiple instruction, just insert like this, and the tab will be created. Next part is the section. If you want to insert a section like section A or section B, then you have to type it in the section A like this and select it, keep it in the center, make it bold. This way you can start writing the paper. Now in this we are going to see how many types are there to create a MCQ question paper. First pattern is the box pattern. Like if I want to type a question 1, and I will write a question like this: question. This will be your question. Whichever question you want to type, you can type instead of this. Next thing, I will enter. I will go inside insert, click on the table. I will select like this. Now this portion I will reduce just by going a layout. I will make it 0.9 and 0.9. I will keep it the same so that it should be this is for my A. Next one again I will do 0.9, 0.9. Here also 0.9. Enter. This is my B. Next one, this is my C. Again I will do 0.9 and this is my D. Again I will do the width 0.9 and enter. Now here you can put C, here you can put D. Now if you want to increase the space for writing the option, you can increase the width of it to the 4 like this. For this also we will put 4, enter. For this again we will do 4, enter, and this one 4, enter. So this is the one way to create a multiple choice question. Here you can write a single words, or the if you are giving a multiple choice question in the single word, then this portion, this part is, or this format is useful. Next one is the, if you want to type another one, that is a question 2, and for that question, this here you can type a question whichever you want. Then next one is the A like this, then tab tab, B like this, tab tab, C like this, tab tab, and D like this. So this is another way or the another format through which you can write a multiple choice question. In this you can do one more modification. You can just keep on entering and you can write each of the options one after another like this. So just enter, you can write the options over here. The third option you can use for writing the multiple choice question is, here you can type a question like this, and then if you are giving some images, like if I'm going to insert some image, any random image, like if I insert this image over here, we'll insert a page. Now if I put an image over here and I want the answer for it, so what I will do, I will put here some like this. If I put here A, that is my first question, and if I put here like this and I want the name of this image, if you put any image over there like a bird image or the like animals image and you want the answer for it, then you have to insert a shape, just line, and put it here a line so that you can give a space to write the name. The similar way again you have to type here a B like this, insert another image, copy this, and you can paste it like this. This is the another way. The last option is the tick option. So if you are giving an option online, so if you are providing the question paper online to your students, then you can give them a tick option so that whenever they click on that option it will get tick. For that you have to do one thing, you have to go to the file, click on the option, click on the customize ribbons. Here you can see a developer mode. Just click over there and click OK. Once you do that, the developer tab gets open over here. Now here there is an option of tick, that is a checkbox. So if I want to write some question, this is my question 4, and I have written some question over here. Some anything you can write. I am just writing a question like this, and I want to give a option and tick. So I will click over here, and one more time I will click, and I will insert, and again I will click, and again insert, and again I will tick like this. So these are the, if you are going to click on it, it will show the like this. Now I want to change it to the right tick. So I will go inside a properties. Here you can see a checked symbol. So when I want to check the symbol, it should be a right tick. So I will click on the change. In the wing links, you can see a option in the down, that is this, and just click OK. Just click OK. So when you are going to click on that, it will do the same thing like this. So if I'm going to give the option here A B C, here CDF JKL. Oh, so whichever option is correct, I have to just click on it and it will get selected like this. So if for every button or the every checkbox, I have to do the properties. Just click on the properties, click on the change, click on the wingdings, and then inside that you can see this option and OK. So whenever I'm going to click it, it is going to change. So now if I'm going to check like this, it is going to change to the black, and like this it will tick on that box, that is a checkbox option. So in this video what we have learned how to add the multiple choice questions in 4 ways. First one is the tabular one, so that you can insert, if you want to insert a single word in your multiple choice question, then you can use the tabular form. If you want to insert a lines in your multiple choice question, then this format is useful. Another format is if you want to insert some images or something like that, and if you want answer in the word format, then you can give a space to the student so that they can write an answer over there for that question. And the fourth one is the checkbox option. So if you are giving an online test to the students, then you can give this option so that they can only tick on that option and they can submit their answer sheet. So in this way we have seen the 4 ways to create a multiple choice question. The uppermost part, that is this part, is common for all. Only the changes is as per your requirement. If you want a smaller multiple choice question, then you can use the tabular. If you want a line multiple question, like if you want to insert a line in the multiple choice question, then you have to use the second one. Then if you want to insert some objects and you want to answer for that object, then this pattern is useful. And if you want a checkbox, then you can use the fourth option. Thank you.